Hello students, welcome back to your IT class. Today we will talk about list in HTML. What is HTML? HTML is a hypertext markup language which is basically used to design or develop our web pages. Okay, so it is developed by Tim Berners-Lee. HTML is developed by Tim Berners-Lee, and while we are talking about list in HTML, so in HTML there are three types of list, that is ordered, unordered and nested list. Okay, or we can say description list. So first is ordered list. What is ordered list? An ordered list is a collection of related items that are not required to display in a specific order or sequence. The list created using the UL tag. Each item in the list is marked with bullets. See students, an unordered list, the name is mentioned. Unordered list means the list which is not in sequence. Okay, so related items are not required to be displayed in a specific order, not in sequence, not in specific order. Okay, second thing is what? It is specified, it is created using UL tag. UL means unordered. Okay, these are braces, opening and closing braces, and in HTML tags are used in opening and closing braces. Okay, some tags which are empty tags which not required closing braces, and which are container tag, these tags required opening and as well as closing. Okay, so it is a program. You can see how we can create a list in HTML. First, HTML tag, then head tag. These are tags which we need to type our program. Then title is used to give title to our program. Then head tag close, and then body tag start. In body tag we type all the material which we want to show or which we want to display on our screen. Okay, so UL tag which we are opening because we are typing or we are listed our unordered list. This is unordered list. Li tag, this is Li tag which is used to create a list. Got it? So UL tag is used to create a unordered list, and Li tag is used to create items in our list. Okay, so these are items. Unordered list close, and head tag close, and body tag close, and our output will show here. This is unordered list, first, second, third, fourth and fifth. Got it? This is the unordered list syntax or program of our HTML list. Got it? Next is list properties. What are list properties? List property means list property are used to define the style and position of the items. Unordered and ordered and unordered list have some common properties. We will first study about unordered list. Okay, the syntax of style list property are as follows. What is syntax? Syntax is a method to type a program in our language. Got it? What is the method or what is syntax of properties? List style. List style means what is the style of our list. We are talking about unordered list, so list style is UL. List style type, list style image and list style position. These three are properties of our list. Okay, next is property values. These are property values which we will describe. First is list style type. List style type specifies the type of list item marker. The value can be disk, none, circle or square. Disk, non, circle and square are the unordered list mentioned. Suppose we are talking, this is circle, this is square, and we are talking about the items like here is written cat, here is dog. So these are items which specify by circle or square. Okay, so next is list style image. This property is used to specify an image as a list item marker. List item marker means whatever we want to specify to our list. Okay, there is image. Next is list style position. What is list style position? List style position specifies the position of the list item marker. There can be value inside or outside. Inside or outside means within the frame or within not in frame. Okay, so while we are talking about the program, we can see here doc type. Doc type is the version which specify that is our program is in HTML version 4 or version 5. Head tag, a title, style, UL. You can see the properties. UL is style, list style type. Then list style type circle, list style position, and position is in inside. Okay, style tag close, head tag close, body tag close, and these are our items. Chocolate football red color, and you can see the output of this program here. Things I like chocolate football red color. Okay, these are the type circle here mentioned. Circle, these are circles, and position, these are inside. Okay, next is ordered list. Ordered list and unordered list is not in sequence, and ordered list is a way of putting items in numbered list instead of using bullets. Okay, if there is need to show items in a sequence, then OL tag is used. In unordered list, UL tag, and ordered list, OL tag. Okay, next is see the program of this. HTML tag, head tag, title, head tag close, body tag start. OL, this is OL, ordered list type. These are LI for items, and OL tag close, head tag close, and body tag close, and output of this program is first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Got it? So position, how we can give position to these, or how we can give the type of list. Same list property. Set all the properties for a list in one declaration. There is only a single property used to define the type of ordered list. The syntax of property are as follows: list style and list style type. Okay, now we will talk about the properties of ordered list, that is list style type. This property specifies the type of list item marker. The value can be decimal, lower alpha, upper alpha, lower Roman, or upper Roman. These are what, beta? These are the type how we are marking our items. Okay, so how we are marking, it can be small a, capital A, it can be capital Roman or small Roman. Okay, these are the upper and lower alpha and Roman. Okay, you can see the program here. HTML head, title, style, OL. OL is our ordered list. List style type is what? Upper alpha. Upper alpha, and head tag close, body tag start, and the things or items which we want to insert in our ordered list, that are chocolate football red color, ordered list close, body tag close, HTML tag close. Okay, now the output of this program is here, that is list things I like chocolate football red color. Here upper alpha type, what is given the type of list? Upper alpha. So these are 1, 2, 3 numbers will come. Okay, if here written upper Roman, then instead of 1, 2, 3, first, second, third, like this will come. Got it? So read your chapter up to here, and if you are facing any kind of problem, then you can talk to me and try to find out question answers of this chapter up to this topic. Thank you.